Okay, I'm live now. No one can ever say I'm not.
You're not live.
Irini's dead. Yeah, I am. Yeah. Shut up, Yvette. You don't know. We're all live. We're all alive today.
No, I'm dead. I'm Jasper the Friendly Ghost.
Don't make me put you in the orb. I'm gonna put you in the orb. I'm gonna make myself a little bigger. Put you here. And we're gonna copy over Irini.
Look at me! It's right there!
Okay, Jasper, stop talking real quick. You may speak once more. You have my permission.
I'm bigger now.
I was holding my breath.
Why were you holding your breath?
It's hard to not talk.
I guess that's fair. Oh, I fucked up. Because when Irini talks, she gets real low. She gets to dick height.
Hey, yo!
Whoa,
what the fuck? Why did you make me like this?
You know what?
Because you coughed.
It's accurate.
Yeah. That's how
What do you mean
it's true
it's
to life.
accurate?
It's true to
No,
life.
it's not!
It's true
No,
to life.
it's not!
Dick height.
Every time
dick
you
height.
cough.
What were we doing? I forget.
Oh yeah, we need
should...
8 large candles, we need 10 gold dusts, and we need to scout through the Fargo Deep mine.
No, we should ignore all of that and run this way.
Oh, okay. Are we gonna go fight Hogger?
Hogger.
Ridiculous.
No, don't kill the gnolls. Come on. Why is that the first thing we do live? Kill
Don't
gnolls.
be ridiculous. The both of you.
Down with the
both of you.
furries!
Don't be ridiculous, the both of you. No, we're gonna go get the Lost Necklace quest, because that also leads into the mine, so we might as well. Oh, this little shit.
Oh.
Kill the little shit!
I think it's killing your little shit. What do you
We'll
mean
kill
you
him before he
resisted?
kills my
Fuck
little
with
shit.
that, guys. Have fun.
You fucking
I'm
rogue!
gonna go do. I'm gonna go do the necklace quest.
You're killing Irini, Jasper! Look at what you're doing!
She always dies.
The fucked up part too, is that's not even performative, that's actually just me coughing.
Shank this fucking pig! I'm shanking pigs. I think we need 4 boar meat. 4 chunks of boar meat for the Pie for Billy quest.
Ah, I see. That's why we're killing the local boar population.
Yeah.
What do you mean you resisted? You can't resist the holy light.
Stop resisting! Hit him with your baton. There you go. It's not funny at all.
It's actually quite fucked up.
You guys are doing pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah, he's just back there
Jasper.
watching in his cuck chair.
No, don't say that. That's horrible.
Well, that's what you're
Wonderful thing
doing.
to say.
No, it's not. I'm playing the game.
Oh, actually, yeah, he is.
Is he? Help! Help!
I can't.
Help! I need help. Mine is actually running
Oh,
low.
I got a bag. I got a bag. Yes.
Help!
Oh, you don't deserve that fucking bag.
Again? First we're
I'm
playing
so
our night
happy
elves
now.
and he gets a bag. And then he steals my fucking harpy belt.
I didn't know that's how the loot worked. I promise.
Wow, Jasper, you're evil.
I'm not a classic player. I don't know how to play. It's not stealing if I don't know I'm stealing.
Is that how that works?
I don't think it is. So my loyal cultists.
I don't have a quest that requires anything to from pigs.
Not yet.
Yeah,
it's
no,
the same thing
not
as
yet.
the it's the same thing as the
Oh, okay.
spider legs that we were gathering.
Another bag. Yes.
What? Share the fucking love.
I mean, I haven't got
2
anything
bags.
yet.
You have 2 fucking. You know what? I leveled. I don't care about this.
You guys are doing great.
If you
I
get
think
another
it's
bag,
4. I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose my goddamn mind. He's being a real rogue right now. This is a real rogue moment.
I'm gonna kill this bunny rabbit too.
You
I need
fucking
another
monster.
bag.
That's my job. I'm the warlock.
Why didn't you sacrifice the bunny?
Why didn't you sacrifice the fucking bunny?
'Cause I'm not a warlock.
I guess that makes sense. Hang on,
Poor me.
I'll do it with this one. There you go.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Oh, I got it. I got the chunk of boar meat. I'm good. What about you guys?
I have 2.
I have 5 boar meats.
Give me 1.
Yeah,
I deserve 1.
I have 6 boar meats.
You tried to give me 2 boar meat last time. No, 2 spider legs. I mean, and
Is this
you
like-
just deleted them. You deleted them.
I didn't know I was leading them. Though.
Yeah. Can you give me 2?
Yeah, here.
Don't
Say
do it.
please.
Don't do the same thing. Don't do the same
Say
thing. You gotta
is
you gotta shift
crazy.
click.
Say
And-
my name.
Thank you. Okay, we should be good.
That's right. I'm the
That's
best
right.
rogue. See? I'm number 1. Everybody
Say my name, David Hasselhoff. Princess must die.
Princess must die.
Oh, you're killing
Princess must
princess.
die. Princess must die. Princess must die.
Wait for me. Wait for me.
Princess must die.
Oh, now you want us to wait for you. Okay, I see how it is, Jasper.
Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me.
This is abusive. I'm gonna cry.
We have to go talk to Billy McClure to turn in the lost necklace. And then he wants pie. I suppose I will talk to Mabel
When I
Stonefield,
was
or whatever her name is.
warthog.
Mabel McClure. Oh, I'm cursed.
Hi.
My heart belongs to Tommy Joe Stonefield, but our families are bitter enemies, so I can't see him. Even though my eyes ache, to gaze upon that handsome face. Please take this letter and give it to Tommy Joe. He's usually at the river, to the west of Stonefield Farm, which is due west of here.
Oh, I got
What
an
would you rate
apple.
my voice acting?
Oh, I was trying to read and I kind of zoned out.
That's fair, I guess. Bye, Jasper. Bye.
Bye,
I
Jasper.
don't know where.
Bye, Jasper.
Bye,
Jasper.
Bye,
I love you. I love you, Jasper. Jasper, I love you. I'm gonna turn on Tommy Joe's because he's gonna send us to go talk to Grandma. We gotta go to the house anyway. Ultimate fucking
Anyone need bags?
I do.
Broccoli.
I need bags.
Broccoli. Broccoli.
Broccoli.
You got bags?
My dude, I'd love some bags.
Mm-hmm.
Hey there.
Oh, are you talking in like general chat?
No, I whispered the guy who talked in general chat.
Oh, okay.
I just told
I
him
turned
don't
off
listen
general.
to her. I need them more than she does.
What? I got you. I'm in Goldshire.
I'm gonna get there before both of you.
What? No.
Pet is
Don't
not
listen to her.
attacking. Pet is not
Me the bags.
attacking. Your pet is not attacking. Your pet is not.
Only have 6 to give out. Fuck, hurry!
Didn't work.
Where's Broccoli? Where's that son of a bitch? There. Damn it! Yay!
No.
Let's go, dude. One more bag. Who wants it?
Me.
I'll take it for Jasper. I'll take it for Jasper.
You lied. You lied.
Damn liar.
Where's that bag? Where's that bag? Do you guys have all full bags?
No. I got a 10 slot and an 8 slot.
Mm.
And I don't want to hear anything because you have 3 6 slots.
I don't know what you're talking about. Hey,
Oh my god, this guy's name is Bin Laden.
Oh god.
Holy shit. We need to
You need something?
do note to
See you
Willem,
around.
collecting kelp. And then we can do collecting kelp to kill some murlocs and get the potion. And then after we have the potion and he wants us to go back to Maybell, we can do the mine and get... Oh, we need to go back to Billy. Fuck. Fuck!
Yeah, we got we got distracted because of bags.
I did that one.
Pull aggro. Thank you. Have fun with that. Bye.
Wow, I can't believe you've done this.
Believe it, chump.
Hey, I got a
That
bag.
is not. What the fuck you got? You got a spider leg. You got a small spider leg. Don't fucking lie to me.
You know, take candle. You know, take candle. No. So at the glass, my flavor.
Okay, gold tooth. There we go. Now we need to kill shitheads. Bye, Jasper.
What? I'm coming.
Oh, you already did back to Billy, huh?
Oh wait, there's one way over here now. It's back to Billy.
You said you already did that.
I thought I did. I don't know what I'm doing.
Let me say it.
What are you
fucking
trying to
say it.
say? What
me
are you
fucking
trying to
say
say? What are you trying to say?
It won't let me.
Are you,
wouldn't
what
let
are you
me.
trying to say? Fuck you.
Can you see what I'm saying? Or is it just not sending
No.
it?
It's not sending it.
That's so... What? Why? There you go. Stunned into silence, I see.
That's crazy. What's crazy?
What?
What?
You're the one who said that.
Wait,
What?
am I going crazy?
Apparently.
Am I okay?
That's
I
up
don't
to
know.
you. Don't let your dreams be dreams.
I just see Jasper slow walking up in stealth.
Might as well be RP walking, yeah. Hit him with your baton.
Stop resisting! I'm going to hell. I'm going straight to hell.
You know what? You can say that a lot more than I can.
What? Wow! It's because I'm black, isn't it?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, I got a flanged mace.
I think you mean flanged?
Flange.
No, I'm pretty sure it's flanged.
I've gotten nothing. I deserve this. Come on. Come on. Give me one. Come on. Come on. I'm just a little guy. Just a little fucker. Just a little shit.
Ooh, 12 copper. That motherfucker was goated.
$12.
Oh, more.
It's not even $12. It's like 12 cents. When you think about it like that, that's a little bit depressing. These quest givers are like paying us like pennies to go out and risk our lives.
Or is gold just very valuable?
I like to imagine that a single gold piece is equivalent to like $100.
$100 is a lot of money.
That is a lot of money.
Jasper, here you go.
Oh, thanks. Nice. Wonderful. Yep.
Hey, I'm done.
Well, good for you.
Oh my god, this underwater combat is so good.
God.
8
Puts
copper?
Cataclysm to
Fuck
shame.
yeah. Dude, I don't know where they're keeping this, like, money, but...
And they're cloacas.
Oh, God.
I'm not wrong.
I wish you were.
Where else would it be? Okay.
What? What?
They just ran back and reset.
I thought you were, like, saying that because, like, I healed Zorlop.
That is funny that you healed Zorlop.
7 copper. Let's
Hey,
go.
Jasper, can you, like, come up to this guy?
It's
Thank
just
you.
evading
He's
everything.
not doing anything.
Yeah. You just
There
stand
he
next to him. There you go.
Evade. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God.
What? You're fine. No, they're just murlocs. What are you, a noob?
Yes. I am a noob. Just Jasper.
I'm being
Just like,
sneaky.
ooh, 10 copper.
Ooh, a chest.
No! What the fuck? You better share. You better share some of that.
Here, you can have this.
Oh, okay, because I'm the healer.
Yeah, you can heal your damn self while I try to get my fucking little kelp fronds. Because it won't give me any! Help. Help.
That's crazy.
Thank you.
I'm just heal botting.
Yeah. 1, 2. Okay, we can leave. Back to William Pissboy.
Why does this person have no fucking pants?
Why don't you have no fucking pants? You know, give us a
That's
show.
just-
You know what they call
my
healers,
God.
don't you?
Oh my god.
Wait, what is going on here?
To you. Safe travel.
Did you see that?
This shouldn't take long.
This shouldn't take long. The invisibility liqueur is ready for you, Jasper Finley.
This
This
shouldn't take long.
The invisibility liquor is ready for you, Ravenswale.
Damn. A raven fucking picked up a whale? God damn.
No, I just am the whale.
You're rich?
What? No.
Spread the love.
I mean, I'm fat.
Oh. Hell yeah! Alright, let's go kill people in the mine.
I'm the
Zorlop,
I
get
got
him.
something for you.
You can't see me.
I literally can.
Thank
No.
you. Am I going the right way? Let's see.
No.
Oh,
We should go in this way.
okay.
You just poked him.
That's his job. I have 1 gold
poked
dust.
Hey, look, a normie. A rando.
A freak!
Oh, why am I helping? Get out of here.
Now, why am I helping? Quick! Take aggro on all of them! Quick!
Okay.
Quick!
I'll do that. Guys. Got
Person's
something for you.
nice.
Oh shit!
Oh my god, no!
Okay, we're good.
You just had to pull everything.
Oh shit! The paladin! Hold on!
Oh shit! Healer! Healer!
Don't.
Oh shit!
Don't
He
help.
pulled aggro.
Later,
Stop
skater.
running! Stop running! Stop running!
Here, I'll help. That was pretty good.
I need someone my fucking imp.
There's a person.
Oh, it's Goldtooth! Get Goldtooth! Get him! Tag him!
He's it.
I'm opening up. Boom. Bam. Bop.
Chow!
1-2 combo. The 1-2 buckle my shoe.
What?
There's a chest somewhere.
You're such a rogue.
All clear.
Yeah. We just need to kill more kobolds now, I think.
Okay.
I only have 1 out of 10 gold dust. We're gonna be here a while. Your mom's just the one for me!
I know it might be wrong, but I'm in love with Jimmy's mom. Jimmy's mom is got it going on.
Hey, I leveled up.
You don't have to brag.
I'm 1 out of 10 for gold dust and 1 out of 8 for large candles. We're gonna be here a while.
Chat, we're gonna be here a while.
I'm almost done.
Yeah, the rogue.
Yeah.
I walk in here, a humble mechanome. Resbit Archives. How dare you come into my chat with your mechanome ass?
Oh, I
What
remember
the
now.
fuck? Greetings!
Welcome back. Welcome back after so long.
I need a target.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
That's a damn shame.
That's a crying shame.
I made it.
Oh, Jimmy's mom.
I try to copy you, and it doesn't work. I can't do it. You just have a gusto about you. I don't know if that's the right word, but you just got that. You got spunk. You got spunk, kid.
Yeah, I got splunk.
Yeah, you got spunk.
Oh, kid, don't forget, like, the one time where he was just, like, the super secret spy lady or whatever, right? And, like, he just goes, "Will you be my mommy?"
He's got
said that.
fucking problems. He's got
He said
fucking
that.
problems.
He fucking said that.
I was waiting for so long.
Where are you guys? Are you in the mine?
We're in the mine. Yeah, we're in the
okay.
mine.
Yeah, I ran all the way out. Hang on, I'm about to aggro everything.
Well,
bring
I was
friends.
killing him. I wasn't beating him up. Oh, thank you.
Oh yeah, he's right there. I'm a tank. I'm a tank. I'm a tank. I'm a tank. And I helped. I need another
Grody.
fucking imp? Why are my imp keeps dying? Why are my imps keeps dying? Stop scoppies me!
You'll now take candle.
You know, take candle.
Gnomes kinda don't have a home. Just like in
Yeah.
real life.
Hey, a chest.
Yep, gnomes are, you know.
Real and they are homeless.
Oh, source died.
Nope.
I got
kick
all
him
these
out.
upgrades from this chest.
him out.
Quick, Jasper, kick source. Get him out of here.
Kick source, kick source, kick source.
Why?
He's offline.
Hey, do you want this?
Wait, what?
I already have that.
I want it.
Do you want it?
I don't know what it is, but I want it.
Wait.
What are you laughing at? Help! Help, I'm dying. Help.
I'm stabbing you.
Wait,
Why are
what?
you stabbing me? Oh, you
guys are dueling.
God damn it!
You guys are dueling.
Why'd you do that? How'd you do that? I didn't even notice.
I was gonna kill you. But I didn't
Why?
kill you.
What the fuck?
I
heal me?
didn't. I thought. What?
Can
It
you
was
heal me,
fun.
please?
Everybody had fun.
Huh?
Heal me, please.
Oh, yeah.
According to my calculations, fuck you.
Escape. Done.
Here goes
No, I thought
nothing.
you-
Oh my god, we gotta wait for this quest giver to fucking do the thing every single time. Oh, and she's just gone. Okay.
Got him. She'll respawn in a minute.
I hate this fucking game.
Where do they sleep?
On the floor. Where they fucking belong.
Here we go again. And once more. Take it from the top.
Gnomes are intelligent.
Everyone knows that gnomes are the superior being.
She was looking kind of dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shape
of an
of an L on her forehead.
Well,
Well, I forgot the lyrics to the song.
Let's do so much to see, so let's run with taking the back streets.
You never know if you don't go. Yeah.
never run if you don't glow. So, hey now, you're an all-star.
Help me.
What's your shame on? No,
Help me.
no,
Help me.
no,
me.
no.
Jasper just goes stealth. you're such a bitch, Jasper.
I just want you to know where I stand in this party.
Yeah,
That's
off
the
to
leader.
side.
Leaders don't stop
I'm just
for followers.
you're breaking my immersion. I can't. I'm just being a rogue.
breaking my immersion. You're being attacked. That's breaking my immersion.
Oh, we're role playing, are we?
Yeah, totally. It's just what my character would do.
We're role playing as people who got isekai'd into this universe.
Yes.
Bless you.
I got a Jasper load for you.
Whoa!
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Who told you about
Whoa! Whoa!
that? Who told you?
Not if I have anything to do with it.
What?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh
You're all RPing as 3 groovy looking Morgans.
Yeah, I'm Gilnean.
Yeah, actually.
I'm just waiting to get bit by a worgen. That's why we're gonna go to Duskwood, so I can get bit by a worgen.
Yeah.
Come on, come on, come on!
I got some new spells.
Me too. I have some new spells too.
I got Life Tap. And rank 2 Shadow Bolt.
Can I help?
You
All right.
later.
What?
You want a duel?
Oh yeah, I want a duel.
Alright, I want a nice clean fight. Nothing below the belt.
Die.
What did I just say about below the belt? How are you losing?
This is cheating.
How are you losing?
this is cheating.
Get back here! Get back here!
If you let him run far enough, he'll just lose.
True.
Careful. Oh, he's coming back for revenge.
Oh, I'm in his corner. Damn it.
Goldshire looks so peaceful when it's not Moonguard. How are you losing, Jasper? How'd you lose?
I don't want to talk about it.
It's a lot harder to actually like sneak up on a player in Classic without being leveled into I almost said subtlety. Damn it, Jasper.
Yes, it's working.
You want to duel again?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come here, you.
I don't have a target. I need a target.
Bag of marbles. I've used the bag of marbles on you. It didn't work.
I'm dead. Goodbye. Resist.
Resist! God damn it! No!
Resist!
Yes! Bing
Dude,
bong.
we both resisted each other, and it was just like, oh shit.
Ooh, life tap. Yurini, you're letting me die.
That's crazy.
Yurini, you're letting me die. What the hell? You're like so irresponsible. This is so irresponsible of you.
It is, isn't it?
This is so irresponsible. How could you?
Damn, that's crazy.
Yurini, I have 6 hit points. What the hell?
What are you dying from?
Life tapping.